Coaches will also find this book really useful, not only for development of themselves as individuals, but also looking at how they surround other individuals to make them bigger or smaller. My biggest thing is most coaches want to win or want to develop their players. In juniors, I suggest developing the players is the most important thing, because that will actually help and be part of your coach development. In seniors, or if you're playing at Australian level, of course the result is really important. And how do you do this? Well, most coaches just coach like they were coached before. So this book opens up your thoughts, your ideas to many different aspects, and finally leaves you with not only some new information, but also you'll end up with a set of booklets, sheets, or maybe even large posters that you can have to check yourself, your players, and in it, it will have coach reminders, what you should do. It will talk to you about selecting a captain. It will talk to you about how captains should give feedback, how to treat players, and most of all, it's going to end up with a pre-game reminder, so that you, if you're not using music, if you don't understand touch, if you don't understand voice tone, if you don't understand expectation, you're not ready to be as good as you possibly can be. So here's the thing: learn some new things, put them into your resume, put them into everything you do as a coach, and I guarantee your results will improve.